Your tires are still dirty, brother.
Are they?
The front one is.
How?
I don't know. We out here, man. Cars and coffee. Welcome.
Bring it in real quick before
Bring it.
we do anything.
Team meeting.
Remember, you got to talk super close to the mic.
Team meeting.
The tires up front, I wasn't digging the fitment at all.
Nah,
so,
bro. What'd you do?
okay, so remember how I went 205?
Let me get a good view of this fit point.
Yeah. So you remember how I said I went 245? 205, 45, 50, or 16. Fuck, it's too early, man.
205, 45,
Yeah.
205, 50.
Now I dropped to a
Longer
45 in the front. Now everything's matching.
And he dropped the suspension an inch and a quarter.
Yeah.
So he got all them stands, boy. It looks. Making me look like a monster truck. Out here.
Hey, what the
It's a little unfair.
hell is that?
Get out of here, man. Get out.
All right.
But yeah, Cars and Coffee. We're gonna look around, check some out, and rep Diff Auto.
What do you think about the car so far, man?
There's some good ones, like this. We got some beautiful,
Clean Honda Accord.
some real meaty tires that look like they're getting abused.
Look at this. It's a Honda, dude. Respect.
Show them the front again, bro.
Show them that front again. So sick. It's a Honda Accord, by the way.
So the meet's pretty chill, good turnout. Not huge like last time, but still it's a good turnout.
I actually seen a lot of new cars today
true.
from like any other Cars and Coffee. Like there's really actually nice cars.
More people coming out.
Yeah.
Which is dope. And some doggos, some happy doggos.
Hey, I haven't petted that one over there.
Hey,
actually.
man, go
I'm about
pet-
to go.
go
Yeah,
pet- go
hold
pet
on.
that
Go,
dog.
give me a second. Alright, we'll come back.
We'll
Tom.
come back.
We'll come back.
It's playing hard to get right now.
So plans after the meet. We're gonna go eat some food because Diff Auto, we always gotta eat some food.
You know, we stay eating.
We stay eating. After the food, we're actually gonna go hit a go-kart track. I'm gonna slap it too. Breakfast.
All the hit markers, bro.
4K burrito quality, bro. Super close. Oh, I forgot it's like overexposed.
Alright, we're gonna eat.
We're not going go-karting after all because it's only me and him. So if
That's not that fun.
It's not that fun. You know, we could have done it. You know, could have done a little Mario Kart theme
Trying to get a
music.
squad in there though.
Yeah. So we could have done that, but we're not going to. We're actually gonna meet up with the homie Craig.
Zero fucks garage.
I have to bleep that out actually.
Zero F-U-C.
Yeah, because he
X
put
or a
fucks.
C?
He put
Yeah.
fucks F-U-X. So it's
Yeah,
not
so
a bad
technically we can't get demonetized for that.
word. Yeah. Screw you, YouTube. We're using X's instead of
Don't
CKs.
say screw you to them. That's dangerous, bro.
I'm
We
sorry,
love you,
YouTube.
YouTube.
I'm sorry.
You're the
You know
best.
what? We're gonna
Alright,
edit it out.
alright,
Nah,
yeah,
JK.
we go.
JK, I'm not
We'll
editing
keep it in, but
I'm not
just
JK.
know we love you.
Anyways, we're gonna meet up with him. We're gonna have to. The only thing I do know for certain that we have to do is get his E36 car line that he's gonna take to a drift thingy. What we're gonna do tomorrow.
He also mentioned something about going to a junkyard, potentially picking up a part or something. Well, I don't.
know.
We're gonna find out.
We're gonna
and
find
we're gonna
out.
bring you along.
Yeah. But for the meantime, we gotta kill 2 hours. We're gonna go play some Super Smash Brothers at my brother's house.
Yeah, man. Let's get it.
Chucky. Yeah, you like that, Don? Yeah. You like that camera in your face?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Give him a face. Give him a face.
All right. So now we're gonna shoot over to Craig's. Oh, look at that M3. Look at that M3. Oh, you missed it. We're gonna shoot over to Craig's house. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do. I'm honestly super lost, but
We gonna find out.
we're gonna just shoot over. We're gonna find out.
All right, man. We here. We checking out what we gotta do.
Man, it's illegal, bro. Turn off the camera. I'm just kidding. All we gotta do, from my understanding, the heater core, he put a new one in, and we just have to, I guess, put the facing over it or something. And then we also gotta get the E36 aligned because he just got an angle kit for it. We'll zoom in on that a little later. But
All right, man. We made it to pick and part, pick apart, pick and pull,
we're
whatever,
gonna pick and pull.
whatever you call it these days. Oh my God, George,
I got
taking some anger out today.
It's a little therapy.
We found our E36. We found our heater core. We took off the little plastics off of it. I'm hoping it's gonna be the same. This little dude sat in the middle.
No, it said on the.
No, it sat in the middle and it covered.
Oh, you're
this.
right. You're right.
Yeah.
you did.
I know I'm right, homie.
Well, that's aggressive.
Alright, let's go. There you go. You're
Oh man, I found the ants. I found the ants. Look, they're over here on this coupler.
Oh yeah.
You see down there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a nest right here. They're all pissed off. They're in. We probably blew them all out.
Oh man.
Wow.
So
Look
it's
at,
like-
there's way more
We
ants
did-
now.
You want to talk about Diff Auto, but you got fire ants in your engine bay.
No,
man.
they're black ants, dude.
Oh,
don't be
black
Don't be racist. Come on.
You brought up the colors, bro.
Put it in there.
Assuming they're
Don,
race,
put it in
bro. That's
Put it in there, dude.
Honestly, oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, I gotta put this side first, I think.
All this struggle just so Craig can say that we're just a cheap channel, man.
Look at it. It almost goes right there in that little crevice.
It's almost as if
It's a different one. It's a different piece. I
It
can
is.
already tell.
No,
It's
no,
a
no,
different
no,
mold.
no. I'm telling you right now, it'll fit, and then we have the little metal pieces that
Watch those ants get blown away. Because it's dusted right
Don't
there.
turn it on. Don't turn it on yet. Don't
Hold
turn
on.
it on yet.
They're definitely plotting to get their revenge, dude.
They came from pretty much Oregon. Those are some long distance ants. They came from
Traveling.
Fort Bragg.
Dude,
Traveling
So
ants.
put the clips on, jerk.
you
Look
said
at-
it
you
was
got-
a different
Oh.
cover.
You got another hole right. You got a hole right there too. You guys busted the a hole.
You
in
said it was a different cover. What are we gonna
I
do?
mean, at least you got that clip. So that $3 clip that I could got on eBay.
Thanks for watching. All right, Creed. It's ready to fight right now. It was an interesting day, man. We started
was a
off
really
with cars
bad day.
and coffee.
If you
Not-
guys
it wasn't
say we're
bad, you
if
got
you guys
angry.
tell me that I'm not memeing enough, I'm gonna come after you, okay? Because don't tell me how much I have to meme.
We'll
right?
try to do more if you guys just aren't.
It's hard
feeling
to
the
be
vibes.
exciting when you're in a junkyard, all right? It's dusty and it's hot.
I'll see what I can do. See what I can do. I'll see.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. We're gonna drift tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Wait, we can't even put out the vlog tomorrow.
And remember, we love you. Soon we're gonna have another video. It's gonna be of drifting. It's
I
gonna be
don't.
sick.
Leave me out of this.
He does love you. Don't let him talk to you like that, guys. All right, come on, man. Let's close this out.
All right.
Keep on subscribing. Keep on living, loving, and breathing and
Yo,
drifting.
shout
and car
out to
stuff.
120 subscribers. We haven't even
120.
talked about
Oh
that.
my God,
We haven't
guys.
even talked about that. Why
It,
are we
like,
not talking
It was
about
quite a milestone to hit 100, but we've been continually growing since then. Appreciate all the support. Like, it's kind of surreal. Like, when you hit 100, you're like, oh, we're actually like doing this.
Yo, did you turn on your high beams? Like, why would you do that?
Yeah, cause it was real dark out here. Real dark.
It kind of hurts my eyes.
Well, stop staring at it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Look at the camera.
I'm sorry.
I am the captain now. All right, guys.
All right, Closey, you talk too
Yeah,
much.
all right.
Peace out. Later. Thanks for watching. Bye.